Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gyanesh Chandra Notial. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got lot of video to help learning mathematics. Because learning mathematics we want to the solution will be understanding and easy. But sometimes the answer is easy but we cannot understand that. So I teach you lot of type of method of solution of any question. So today's topic is probability. In probability, we already learned that the probability means possibility of any event, and its formula is number of variable outcome upon all possible outcome. And we know that the all possible outcome of a coin is 2, dice is 6 and card is 52. And if you want to find the all possible outcome of 2 coin, 2 dice, 3 coin, 3 dice, then we take it in the power of 2 and 6. Means 2 की power 2 means 2 coin all possible outcome. 2 की power 3, 3 coin all possible outcome. 2 की power 4, 4 coin all possible outcome. Similarly, the 1 dice 6, 2 dice 6 की power 2, 36 and 3 dice 6 की power 3. So similarly we can find the all possible outcome. Let's take today's first question. Here we have given a dice is thrown once, then find the probability. Means dice is thrown once, then all possible outcome is 6. All possible outcome equal to 6. Then for first, if prime number means first we find the what is the number of variable outcome for a prime number. So for solution of A, the number of variable outcome. Variable outcome to A, getting a prime number. Getting prime number. We know that in dice we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and prime number. 1 is not a prime number, 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number and 5 is prime number. Then we have only 3 prime number. So prime number is 3. 2, 3, 5. Then probability we can represent it by any one alphabet and getting a prime number all language. I represent it here only one alphabet. PA is equal to 3 upon 6. Here both number is divided by 3. Then our answer is 1 upon 2. Similarly, we can find the solution of B. Here the number of similarly previous things, the number of variable outcome to getting number between 2 and 6. Then we have 2 and 6 between numbers. So we cannot include 2 and 6. Then middle number is 3, 4 and 5. Only 3. So we have variable outcome for getting number between 2 and 6. So that is 3, 4, 5. It is the number between 2 and 6. So probability for this equals to 3 upon 6 is equal to the both our number is divided by 3, then we get 1 upon 2. Similarly, each time the language is do not change. Each time generally we write the number of variable outcome 2 getting. Now only a number is prime number, a number between 2 and 6, a number and odd number. So in third part starting language are same. In after getting only this is changed and odd number. Otherwise, here starting here to here, all language are changed. Same for variable outcome in each part. In each part. Here also we can see that the odd number is only 3. 1, 3 and 5. Because 2, 4, 6 are divisible by 2, then it is even number, not odd number. So variable outcome is also 3. That is 2, 4, sorry. that is 1, 3, 5. Similarly, its probability is also 3 upon 6 means 1 upon 2. So all three parts farewell outcome are 3 and all three parts probability is also 1 upon 3 are same. So sometime it will happen. So let's take another questions. Here we have given a child has a dice. Dice means we already know in a dice have only 6 all possible outcomes. Here 6 all possible outcome are A, B, C, D, E. 5 letter and A again repeat. So all possible outcome are here are also 6. So we write it all possible outcome is equal to 6. Next, we write the number of farewell outcome. We already know that all time in all type of part, the number of farewell outcome, the number of farewell outcome to getting first time A, getting A. Here we see that the A comes 2 times, 1 and 1 here, 2 times. So number of farewell outcome to getting A is 2. So probability of getting A is 2 upon 6. 2 upon 6, here 2 and 6 are divisible by 2. Then we got answer 1 upon 3. By this method we can easily calculate the probability of A. Next, language are same means the number of farewell outcome to getting D. Getting D. Here D comes only one time, then number of farewell outcome is 1. So probability of getting D. Then we get 1 upon 6. It is our answer. Again, I am always remember that all possible outcome we write only one time and the number of farewell outcome 2. These language are repeating each time of all part. So we can write it all time in examination because if it is lengthy language theoretical papers. But if it objective question, does not write any language. Write the directly answer 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 6 directly by observation. Because in observation we know that the number of farewell outcome for A is 2, total is 6, 2 upon 6 is 1 upon 3 directly and D is 1 time, then farewell probability is 1 upon 6, farewell outcome is 1. So by this method we can easily calculate the probability for any things. So let's take another questions by this way. Here we have given Neeraj and Dheeraj are 2 friends. Find the probability. We have to find the probability when their birthday fall on different day. Means their birthday fall on different day. Means if one friend's birthday on 1 January, then other is not on 1 January. So, and second question is when their birthday fall on same day. For finding it, first write the all possible outcome. All possible outcome. We know that in a year for birthday falling, we have 365 days. So all possible outcome is 365. Next, for a first part, when their birthday fall on different day. That means the number of farewell outcome to their birthday, because it's all language depend on our question, to their birthday day on different days. Different days. So here, if we already know that if Neeraj birthday is 1 January, then Dheeraj birthday for different can possible in other all day, means 2 January, 3 January, 4 January, means 364 days. Because one day are Neeraj birthday, for different we does not take this day. So in total 365 and one day is removed, then we get farewell outcome is 364. 364. Then we get the probability for different day. Here language are some large, so we write it by any alphabet. So different day by day, we have the probability is 364 upon 365. It is our answer. And in second time, the number of farewell outcome, language are same. Their birthday on same day. For same day, we know that if birthday are same, then their birthday have possibility on only one day. Only one day. So its farewell outcome is 1. Then probability for this is 1 upon 365. We can easily calculate the birthday on same side day probability and different day probability. Same day probability is only 1 upon 365 and different day probability is 364 upon 365. And we also can this probability by another formula. Just like if we know the same day birthday probability is 1 upon 365, then if we want to find not things, we also can subtract this from 1. So thank you for watching this video. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. So wait for next video.